Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you children? I hope you are fine and keeping well at home. So today I am Safir here for a Eureka class. Okay. And then standard class 5. So here I have written here food and health. So about the food and health we will going to discuss about the lesson number 3 page number 15. Okay. So what is the food and health? So food and health about this chapter before knowing about that food and health you have to know about that the body needs several kinds of nutrients to work, grow and remain healthy. This is the simple thing. Simple thing, what are need our body? Several kinds of nutrients. Nutrients means whatever good for us. We used to get such like carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, minerals, isn't it? Such like the etc. etc. So these things we need to work, grow and remain healthy. So we need this one to work. If you want to get work, then we need energy. So energy giving word of carbohydrate, isn't it? These are nutrients. And then we used to grow and then we used to remain healthy. Then we will be not affected by any disease, isn't it? That is that. And the next is here the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine form the digestion system. So digestive system, what is the digestive system? Food pipe is there, stomach is there, small intestine and large intestine. These four things are made digestive system. Digestive system is what? Through where it is go the food, where it will digest, where it will go this side, where it provide the energy, where through what they used to transport blood, this and that, etc. etc. These are the digestive system. Here I have written, and then the process of breaking down of food into small and useful substances that can be used to body is called digestion. So for digestion we have teeth. We have teeth. We used to break down it, isn't it? We make it small particles of any other objects whatever we eat, isn't it? That is the what's called digestion. It's for our digestion. Next, what is there? Now we are going through the chapters of food and health. So different kinds of foods are there. So food. So such like I used to get it rice. Sometimes if you work, if you get tired, that means you used to say I am feeling hungry, I have to eat rice, I have to eat something, I have no energy to work, I have to get energy, after that I can work, isn't it? So therefore in that time you used to take different kinds of such like bread, chapati, and then what's called rice also, boiled rice, isn't it? You used to take. After that you can get you get energy and then you can do or you will able to do the work. So therefore that nutrients such like carbohydrates, what's called this one, bread or chapati used to take, that is the belongs to carbohydrate. One kind of carbohydrate is there. So carbohydrate provides us energy. What provides us energy? Carbohydrate provides us energy. Such like the source of carbohydrate. Source of carbohydrate what? Rice, wheat, no, etc. So example only two I have written here. Okay, these are the source of carbohydrate. Potato. If you take this one much, that means you will get the much energy to do work. Okay, and then next proteins. Proteins growth and repair our body. Our body. Our body. BODY. Our body. So here you see proteins growth and repair our proteins growth our body. Suppose when I was in 5 years or 2 years old, I was not like that. I was very small in size, isn't it? You are also very small in size, isn't it? Some of 12 or 13 year ago, 13 11 year you are, isn't it? So day by day you are growing or not? Because of that, because of protein you are growing. Sometimes if you get little bit hard or wound in our body, suppose here wound I got wound here body, scratch by scratching or by scratch I got wound here. So I applied medicine. I used to eat medicine. After that, day by day it's repairing and then it will become okay only. Once there will be time, it will become before like that. Isn't it? It happens or not? Because of that, what? Proteins. So from where do we get the protein? Source of protein what? Source of protein is meat, milk, fish. These are the source of protein. If you take these things, this product, we will get this one protein. If you get protein, that means we will grow and it will these things it will repair our body or damaged parts of our body. And then Vitamin and minerals for health. So vitamin and minerals are for health. So vitamin also we need. Sometime vitamin. Why do we need vitamin? So why do we need vitamin? So vitamin helps the body to remain healthy and fight diseases. So vitamin keeps us healthy and this vitamin fights with diseases. Then will not affect by the any disease. Okay, that's the vitamin. So there are several kinds of vitamins are there. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, D. Isn't it? Again, etc. Vitamins are there. And then fiber. Fiber, whatever there. So whatever thing we eat, it is very whatever unnecessary for us, not essential for us. We used to take out through our small intestine or by doing toilet or latrine. Is not it? By urinal also we can take it out. That is the fiber. Next, what is that? Malnutrition. Malnutrition what? Due to malnutrition, we can affect by different this one what's called we have to suffer different kinds of disease are there. So what are the diseases? Let me see. A person who diet does not provide the required nutrients over the long period of time, it's not healthy. Such a person suffers from malnutrition. Suppose any person which is not getting from long time what is not getting from long time he is not getting nutrients, proper nutrients. Suppose he needs half kilo rice, half liter water, half liter suppose milk, half liter whatever, everything adequate amount of every nutrients. If he does not get for a long time, after that he will suffer of this disease as known as malnutrition. Okay. So next is their disease. So there are different kinds of diseases are there. Even if you have done vitamin, then vitamin will not able to fight the disease. That means will affect by the any disease. So different kinds of diseases are there. According to disease, there are two kinds of diseases are there. One is the communicable disease and then another is the non-communicable disease. So communicable disease. What is communicable disease? It can be transferred. It can be transferred one person to another person through any other object. Is not it? That is communicable disease. And the non-communicable, whatever diseases are, they are not communicate or transfer from one person to another. Isn't it? That is non-communicable. So communicable and non-communicable, what is there? Already I have said to you communicable. So communicable infectious also you can say that. Okay. Cholera, tuberculosis, typhoid, swine flu, malaria are the common cold. These are the communicable disease example. These are communicable. It can transfer from one person to another person. Such like nowadays is going on what? COVID-19, coronavirus, is not it? That is the also communicable disease. Next is the non-communicable disease, which is not transferred, is not it? From one person to another person, not communicated, is not it? That is the non-communicable disease. So here I have written here some of the communicable disease name. Cholera, caused by bacteria, and then spread by contaminant food or water. Spread by cholera. Therefore, we have to eat different kinds of food. We have to keep it in proper way, is not it? Simply, if we keep it open, that means the insects, whatever it will be there, it will be there spread. Symptoms: frequent vomiting, watery stools. No, watery stools means what? Watery stools means dysentery. So prevention: avoid food and water from the unclean sources. So and the next, what is the typhoid is there? Typhoid caused by also, this one also caused by bacteria. Spread by contaminated food or water. Symptoms: high fever, body ache, headache, stomach ache. Prevention: avoid food and water from unclean sources. Is not it? So these are list. One list is there. Communicable disease, one list is there. This thing, everything you have to learn by heart. What are the symptoms? What are the prevention? How can we prevent it? Is not it? So different things are there. Next, what is there? Communicable disease. So about the communicable disease, here also I have said about that communicable disease. So communicable disease, non-communicable. Communicable I have said, no, non-communicable. So non-communicable disease such like scurvy causes lack of vitamin C. If we don't have vitamin C, we will be affected by scurvy. Scurvy, what is this scurvy? Symptoms: swollen and bleeding germs. No, swollen and bleeding germs will swollen up. Will be motu. Okay. And then cure. How can I cure? A diet containing vitamin C. A diet containing C. From from which source we can get vitamin C, we have to take. Okay, such like milk, green vegetables, we have to take. Then we can get rid of this disease. Next, what is the night blindness? Night blindness, lack of vitamin A. So symptoms, not able to see at night or dim light. So diet containing a vitamin A. Okay, this list also it is given in your book. This one also you have to learn by heart. Okay, so and then vaccination. So when you are in very small in size, such like when small around 1 or 1.5 years ago, half an year, in the age of time you have vaccinated by different diseases, is not it? So that vaccination is good for us. So whatever some kinds of disease are there, maybe we can affect by that disease. So therefore, even it will be vaccinated, then the disease will not affect us, is not it? Will be not affected any other disease. Therefore, vaccination also it fights inside our body. The vaccination it fights with the disease inside the body, that the disease can't harm us, is not it? So therefore, boys and girls, I hope whatever I have said about that food and health, about this chapter you have understood. So I am not going to take you long time. So here I am going to end of my class. Thank you.